my channel. I'm naturally Curlysa, and today I'm going to be taking out these Twaids I put in. So I've had these up for like 3 days, and I didn't record the process of me putting them in, but I did use the Miche twisting butter and the Miche leave-in to put these in on my blown out hair, and they're still juicy. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to record the takedown process with these. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. Have a lot more content on there. I do love doing Twaids on blown out hair because of the fact that it keeps my roots from being so puffy. I'm gonna take this Tarmore September oil and I'm gonna put these on my twist and we're gonna take these down. Alright, so this is my hair all taken out. This side seems to be a little bit more bigger than this side. I did puff it out as much as I could to my liking without messing it up. And I'm just gonna put a headband to kind of push this back out of my face, so I can wear it back like this. But these are my defined results. And that's it. That's me taking my Twaids out. This wasn't going to be a long video. It was just because I felt bad that I didn't show the process of me putting these in. I wanted to show you guys the process of me taking them out. I'm going to do a little dry baby hair like I used to do in middle school. And that's it. So, do you guys do Twaids on your blowouts, or do you just do them regularly? I haven't done a Twaid out since I think my last blowout. So, that's all, guys. I'll see y'all on the next video.